What up, YouTube? We got another shoe review. You see the box. You see the box. Yes, we had to cop them. We had to get the Fear 3s. Alright, this is probably going to be a quick video. Let's get into it. I had to give me a pair of 3s, bro. Like, hold on, let me get them, put them closer to the camera. Cause first I seen the Midnight Navies. I'm like, should I get the Midnight Navies? But then like, I know the Fears been out for a minute. Like, they're classic. Like, ain't a lot of nice overall shoe. It's like a new buck for the leather. And the elephant, I like the elephant print on these too. Like, on certain 3 models, like the elephant print look weird. White outsole, gray mid with like, you see like how like it fades. You probably can't see like the speckles, but like I like how it fades from like gray to black. They got hints of orange on the eyelets, of course. The back say Jordan Air. Orange Jumpman on the front. Orange Jumpman. Alright. We're gonna get to the lacing soon. Like, bro, this is my first pair of 3s, bro. Like, me personally, I feel like 3s are in the upper echelon of Jordans. Like, they not bulky like 8s. They don't really hurt your feet. These run true to size, of course. So if you get these, run true to size. I wish they came with like orange laces. In my opinion, I feel like it'll make the shoe pop out more than just black. Like, I wish they had like at least like, if not orange, just give us like gray or something. I mean, but you can't go wrong with black because it got like the black tongue in it. I mean, it's a solid shoe. I love the material on it, bro. It's like, I think this is suede. Yeah, this is like suede new buckets material. It's soft, bro. I like it. And like, I feel like with white shoes, you got to be careful. I mean, it got like a white outsole, so I mean, it's gonna be. I don't know. I feel like you got to be harder. Like, you don't want to be walking around with white shoes everywhere, bro, because they tend to get dirty fast. So that's why I passed up on the Midnight Navies. I'm like, they were nice and all. I'm like, once you start getting like dirt marks and stuff on them, you gonna have to really clean them. So that's why I said, let me get like a dark color. So like, they tend to won't get as dirty as much. I mean, of course you're gonna get dirty as shoes and you wearing them, but you ain't gonna see like all the dirt and all that stuff. You can just I need some shoe protector too for this. for this material too. I'm not trying to get these dirty and messed up. But yeah, let me start to lace these real quick. I'm gonna lace one off camera and do hold on. Bring the camera down just a little bit so you can see. Start the lacing process. Try and get like right into the camera so you can see. Yeah, I just wish they had like different laces for them, in my opinion. But I mean, you can't never go wrong with black laces though. For my threes, I don't know. I tend to loose lace all my Jordans, so we'll see. We'll see how they feel. We'll see how they look loose lace. Hold on, let me I'm gonna go to the second one. One in the back. I would do the front, but I don't know. I feel like it's gonna be tight on my feet, but they true to size. They fit true to size though, so I'm not tripping. I'm trying to find the. All right, there we go. I'm gonna do one like loose lace and do one regular. See how I like them. See how they look on camera, rather. All right, that's one. All right, let's lace the other one. make this video real quick, like 15 minutes max. Of course, I'm gonna give y'all an on-foot review after I get done lacing them. I got another shoe video dropping soon, so make sure y'all tune into that. Alright, so we done lacing them. I like the one on the right more, because I want to see my Jordan tongue. Let me fix it real quick. On the left. Yeah, with threes, I don't like having them like all the way up, like a pair of fours or like a pair of ones. Alright, we done lacing them. These are the Fear 3s. I'm gonna give y'all an on-foot review in like a couple of minutes. So, if y'all want more, put these in the camera real quick. If y'all want more shoe reviews, subscribe to this channel. Once this channel hit like 15, 20 subscribers, I'm gonna start I wanna start like customizing shoes on this channel too. Like I'm gonna make like top 10 lists, best shoes, worst shoes, etc., etc. Just stuff to fill out the content when I don't have a shoe in mind to buy right now. But yeah, get the video to 15 likes, 15 views. I'll drop the next video whenever I get the shoe. So stay tuned for the on-foot review. Peace, y'all. Peace.